When you are here in Tableau, you see latitude and longitude, and these are generated fields in Tableau that Tableau generates automatically. And these are geolocation fields, and you know it's a geolocation field because of the world icon. City, country, postal code, and state are all geolocation fields, and Tableau can create longitude and latitude from each geolocation field. If you bring something like city into the view, Tableau automatically creates longitude and latitude based on city. If you bring country or region into the view, Tableau automatically creates a longitude and a latitude for this geolocation field. When you bring something like postal zip code into the view, Tableau automatically creates longitude and latitude that correspond to postal zip code. And when you bring something like state into the view, Tableau automatically creates a longitude and a latitude corresponding to the different states. So now you might be wondering, what is longitude and what is latitude, and how does Tableau generate this longitude and latitude from these geolocations? Well, let's look at that. So what I have here is an example of a symbol map. This is what is called a symbol map in Tableau. So what is a latitude and what is a longitude? Latitude measures how far up and down you are from the equator. It measures the north and the south coordinate. Then what is longitude? Longitude measures how far right and left you are from the prime meridian, and it measures east and west. When you combine latitude and longitude together, you have a single coordinate point, and this single coordinate point can be graphed to identify a specific location. And in Tableau, latitude is the y-axis and longitude is the x-axis. So how does Tableau actually generate this longitude and latitude coordinate? Whenever you have something like a state geolocation in Tableau, Tableau matches this state geolocation that you have in your data set with Tableau's internal state geolocation, and then it matches each state to its corresponding longitude and latitude, and it then combines this point into a single coordinate point. So that is how longitude and latitude is generated in Tableau. Tableau takes the location data in your data set and matches it with Tableau's internal location data, and it takes the internal location data, matches it with the corresponding longitude and latitude, and this is what Tableau plots as the x and y in the rows and column to create a map. And finally, just remember that continuous fields on color create a color gradient, and discrete fields create a color palette, and this is true even on maps. Let's go to Tableau and see how to build a symbol map in Tableau.